Earth and sky so green, so blue, whispering trees wise and true, hold our world within their leaves, teaching us what to believe. From the roots deep in the ground, ancient wisdom all around, elders speak of days gone by, show us how to touch the sky. Listen close to the knowledge told, young and old, a thread of gold, nature's gift and enduring song. Keep it safe and pass it on. Gentle breezes through the pines, messages between the lines, every forest, every field, secrets that they long to yield. Extend the bough and walk the land, understand what it commands, respect the green, the blue, the earth, guard it now for all it's worth. Listen close to the knowledge told, young and old, a thread of gold, nature's gift and enduring song. Keep it safe and pass it on.